In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find Google Drive link. First, let's start with the Google Drive app. Open the Google Drive app on your mobile device. This is the first step in accessing your files. Once the app is open, you'll see a list of all your stored files and folders. It's important to make sure you are logged into the correct account. This will ensure you can access the files you need. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the interface. You'll notice various icons representing your files, which makes navigation easier. Next, you will need to locate the specific file or folder that you want to share. Scroll through your list of documents or use the search bar at the top of the screen. If you have many files, the search function can save you time. Finding the right file is crucial because you cannot share something without selecting it first. Once you have found the file, tap on it to highlight it. This action sets the stage for the next steps. Now, tap the middle icon next to the file or folder. This icon is often referred to as the More icon. It opens up additional options that are essential for sharing. Once you tap it, a menu will appear, presenting you with several choices. This is where you can manage your file, including sharing settings. It's essential to know how to navigate this menu, as it contains the options necessary for sharing your document effectively. After that, tap on the Share option from the menu. This action will take you to the sharing settings. Here you can adjust who can access your file or folder. This step is important because it allows you to control how your document is shared. Once you tap Share, you will see options for adjusting the access settings. This ensures that only the right people can view or edit your files, keeping your data secure. If needed, under General Access, choose either Anyone with the link or another sharing option that suits your needs. Selecting the right access level is critical. If you choose Anyone with the link, anyone with the URL can access it. Make sure to consider privacy and security when making your selection. This choice also affects how widely your information can be shared. Next, tap Copy Link to copy the shareable link. This is a straightforward action but vital for sharing your document. Once you tap this option, the link is saved to your clipboard. This allows you to easily share it later. You will see a confirmation appear, indicating that the link has been successfully copied. Now, paste the link wherever you want to share it. You can paste it into an email, a text message, or social media. This step spreads access to your file or folder. It's great for collaboration or sharing important documents with friends or colleagues. This simple action connects your document to others, facilitating easy access. Now, let's move on to the Google Drive website. Go to drive.google.com and sign into your account. This is essential for accessing your files on a computer. Once you are logged in, you'll see a familiar interface similar to the app. This consistency makes it easier to navigate between devices. Take a moment to explore your Google Drive. Right-click the file or folder you want to share. This brings up a context menu with various options. Right-clicking is a quick way to access features without navigating away from your current view. This method is efficient and helps streamline your workflow. Once the menu appears, you will have access to all the necessary sharing options. After that, click on Share from the menu options. This action will open the sharing settings for that specific file or folder. Much like in the app, you will be able to adjust who can view or edit your document. This step ensures that you have control over your file's accessibility. It's important to double-check these settings before sharing. Under General Access, choose the appropriate access level, such as Anyone with the link or Restricted. This helps you determine who has access to your file. If you select Restricted, only specific people you've shared with can open the link. This choice can protect sensitive information. Next, click Copy Link to copy the shareable link to your clipboard. Once you do this, you will see a confirmation indicating the link is copied. This small step ensures that you have the link ready for sharing. Finally, click Done. Then paste the link where you want to share it. This could be in an email, a document, or a chat application. This final action completes the process of sharing your file. You can now effortlessly share important information with others. It is important to note that if general access is set to restricted, only those you've explicitly shared with can open it. Conversely, if you select Anyone with the link, anyone who has the URL can access the file according to your permission settings. This distinction is crucial in managing access effectively. If you do not see a copy link option, you may not have permission to share that file or folder. Understanding these permissions is key to using Google Drive effectively. This concludes our guide on how to find a Google Drive link. You now have the tools to share your files efficiently.